Well, talking of El Nino, scientists are now warning that a potential super El Nino could be taking shape in the Pacific Ocean, raising fears of extreme weather across the world in the months ahead. A super El Nino is a rare and powerful climate event where sea surface temperatures in the Pacific rise more than 2 degrees Celsius above the normal. It is often linked to destructive weather patterns, including heat waves, floods, droughts, and major disruptions to monsoons. Forecasters say that this developing system can become one of the strongest in decades, but they also warn that its final strength is still uncertain. The Pacific Ocean is warming rapidly, with a large pool of abnormally warm water now building below the surface. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, has said that there is an 80% chance that El Nino conditions will develop by July. El Nino occurs when ocean temperatures in the equatorial Pacific rise, changing wind patterns and shifting weather systems across the globe. And when these temperatures exceed 2 degrees Celsius above normal, it can become what scientists call a super El Nino. Only a handful of super El Nino events have been recorded, including in 1982, 1997, and 2015. And those events led to widespread global impacts, from devastating floods and droughts to disrupted agriculture and record-breaking global temperatures. Well, scientists say similar impacts can return if this event intensifies, with many regions facing higher risks of extreme weather. India's monsoon patterns could also be affected, while other parts of the world may see stronger storms or longer dry spells. However, experts say that the final strength of this El Nino depends on trade winds over the Pacific Ocean, and these winds can either boost the warming or weaken it, and they are extremely difficult to predict months in advance. While scientists say this uncertainty makes it too early to confirm just how powerful the event will become. But they also warn that this El Nino is forming in a much warmer world than in the past, which can amplify its impacts even if the event itself is not record-breaking. Well, forecasters say the next few months will be critical in determining whether this developing system stays moderate or escalates into a potentially historic super El Nino.